In this video, I will show you how to use OpusClip's Auto Topic Detection tool. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you need to upload your clips to OpusClip. You can either add a link or you can directly upload a file from your device or hard drive. Once your video has been processed and uploaded to OpusClip, you simply need to open it. I like the list view, as you can see it over here, and you will see that OpusClip has ordered my videos based on topics. So you can see the first clip is about Hong Kong heat. The second clip is about Hong Kong heatwave. Then the third clip is about Hong Kong Disneyland adventure, from fireworks to Bruce Lee. And the following clip is Disneyland's Iron Man figure. Is it worth $20,000? So we can see that OpusClip has analyzed my video and generated videos based on topics. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.